Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Squarespace SEO for better indexing and performance, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Squarespace account. Navigate to the website you want to optimize for SEO. Once you're in the website dashboard, locate the settings panel on the left side. Click on the settings option to expand the menu. Find and select the SEO option from the list. On the SEO settings page, you will see several fields to fill out. Start with the site title field. Enter a clear and descriptive title that reflects your brand and content. Next, move to the site description field. Provide a concise summary of what your website offers. Make sure to include relevant keywords that represent your niche. Scroll down to the search engine indexing section. Check the box that allows search engines to index your site. This ensures that search engines can find and display your website. Next, navigate to the Pages section in the main menu. Select each page you want to optimize. For each page, click on the Settings icon. In the Settings menu for the page, locate the SEO tab. Here, you can customize the page title and description. Use unique titles and descriptions for each page to improve SEO. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally within these fields. Save your changes after editing each page. Now, return to the main dashboard and go to the Marketing section. Select the SEO panel within the Marketing options. Review the SEO checklist provided by Squarespace. Follow the recommendations it suggests for better optimization. Next, consider submitting your sitemap to search engines. To do this, copy your website's URL and add /sitemap.xml at the end. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.